What's this homeless dude in my shop?
Hello? Opportunity.
Dave, I need that intro.
We don't have any cool cars.
Yeah, we don't. It's kind of empty around here.
Welcome back to the channel.
Good at like holding and talking. I'll try my best here. So here we are. Let's do a grand tour. Dave is cleaning the shop. So I don't know if you saw Dave's channel. He has a space here, and we have a space here. Like everyone's got a space here. So here's one of the shops. Notice how pretty that bathroom is.
You'll see the difference.
You'll see the difference. We'll go over, check out Dave's shop in a sec. But this is going to be the official Streetcar Joe shop. The official. I'm moving out of my garage. I'm growing up. Finally, after all this time, I have a dedicated space. So, let me go to a corner. It's really small, like I don't have to go far. So, but no, this is this is going to be the wiring.
Do like a fisheye so it looks real big.
How do I do that on this thing? Yeah. So this is like the wiring and debatable turbo fabrication spot. So it's a little bigger than a 2-car garage, would we say, right?
It was. It just doesn't look like
it. It doesn't look like it. It is. It's bigger than a 2-car garage. It doesn't look like it. We already painted the bathroom, painted the panel, just trying to make it look clean. The bathroom was an ugly color, so white. We cleaned the floors, power washed, etched them, scrubbed them, about to paint them. So like this is going to be like a dream build, and I'm just going to try to make it as perfect as possible. Dave is like, you're wasting all your time. Overhead. No, it's true. It's true.
Those rates are going up.
Yeah. So if you need your car wired, holler at me. It may be a couple dollars more now, though. But yeah. So no, I want to wire cars here. This is the goal for this is, and we'll go check out the other one here in a sec. But the goal of this space is wiring and maybe some turbo fabrication. But more than likely, it's going to be wiring. You can fit 2 cars in here pretty good. With be able to open the doors and get to everything. We're thinking like some boxes, tool boxes, or storage cabinets over here. Maybe already got a tool chest. We'll go check that out in a sec. Got a tool chest for here. I'm gonna bring my new wiring toolbox and put it here. And then we got some awesome signage that's going up on the actual wall over here. So like imagine like the still photos, like nice painted floor, Dave is the car, and it's just like perfect. We're gonna get some awesome lighting up here. Big secret on the lighting. We got some cool lighting that we wanna do up here. And like it's just super nice, clean, white. Floors are gonna be painted, and like, yeah, this is where I'm gonna wire cars now.
Everyone's gonna get photos.
So I think we're gonna do like a media package, right? So we're gonna offer a media package. If you send your car to Coyote Direct or Streetcar Joe and get some work done, I think we're gonna do like a media package where you can get like professional photos of your car in this space. Yeah, and we're gonna be doing reels, and I got a new Instagram page that's gonna be coming soon. So like, you just gotta be ready. I'm trying to be as cool as Coyote Direct. So this is your official.
Joe, when are you gonna have time from?
No, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. So this is the official. If you want Streetcar Joe to wire your car, you need to slide in my DMs immediately. Like I am booking now for 2023.
Yeah, 2022.
Well, I mean it's December practically. So
it's just cool to say that.
yeah, like this is not going to be an operational thing until probably the start of the year.
Yeah, we got it coming.
We got some stuff to do. But if you want your car wired, Holley, Fuel Tech, Motec, whatever, factory ECU record, if you want to build a Fox to go smash the stock ECU record, call me. I will put you ahead of Dave. And we will build it. But no, seriously, if you want your car wired, I'm booking 2023, slide in. Dave can get you the best Holley and Fuel Tech prices out there.
You got a C6Z?
Boom, Motec, we're doing it. Brady, we're talking to you, buddy. There's the key, we're ready. But no, like, any system, Dave can get you the best prices. We'll get it all ordered. We'll get it here. We'll book you, and you will be in this spot, ready to go.
You'll get tuned on the freaking hub.
And Dave's already talking about getting a hub dyno. So we can get you tuned, and I'll tune it on the hub dyno. I'm ready. We're waiting on Dave. It'll be here. So that's the plan for this space. Wiring, fabrication, and like this is just gonna be super legit. Like imagine my garage on steroids. This is gonna be super clean, super OCD, and just be perfect. And I can't wait. And it's heated and AC'd, so like, and it's spray foamed, and like it's awesome. So this is gonna be great. And then there's gonna be a door right here that takes you to the next spot. All right, let's do. Okay. Welcome to the new, see, I feel this one's more echoey. But anyways, welcome to the new Coyote Direct headquarters. Even though he's standing in my spot, will you please get out of my shop?
Okay, first of all, you tried to steal more space already.
Out. There's a line there that you have to cross. Okay, so, but no, this is the new Coyote Direct Spice. Don't worry about what's in the trailer. That's a secret for later. But yeah, so this is Coyote Direct's new shop. He's got an office over here. And then the streetcar is going here, right? Streetcar is going here. And then he's gonna have lifts like along this wall. But, so I'm not here to tell you about Coyote Direct. Don't care about Coyote Direct.
Oh!
Okay, I care about Coyote Direct, but that's not the purpose of this video.
No, that is the purpose.
Okay, but this is, so I'm renting this from Davey Dave. But yeah, from the bathroom here to the line all the way over. So this is gonna be Streetcar Joe's chassis shop. Is that what we're calling it?
Chassis shop?
Is this the chassis shop?
Fab shop?
Fab shop, so that's the wiring shop, this is the fab shop?
Yeah.
Okay, and this is the oil change shop.
Put bars up, because it's chassis jail.
Oh, shoot. Anyways. Yeah, that's below the belt. Okay, but we're planning a car here. So imagine, car here to the edge of the bathroom. And then there's gonna be another car here, this way. And we're talking about chassis table or building a chassis table. But, so those are two cars, and then all the tooling here, bender, bandsaw, belt sander, whatever. And then a fab table here, like a welder fab table. So just in the past few days since we signed the lease, the three of us have cumulatively spent silly amounts of money getting this ready.
That's what you gotta do.
It's what you gotta do. You gotta spend money to make money.
Brady's still counting.
Brady's counting. And those were not hundreds. Yeah, he was counting. I guarantee it. Oh, see the color of the bathroom? That's what color my bathroom used to be. It's terrible. It's like, is that piss yellow? Shit green? I don't know what it is.
Your side, technically, so
I'll paint it. I'm gonna paint it to one wall. But okay, so that's so this area is gonna be like the chassis shop and fabrication shop. Yeah. So booking projects for 2023 here. We already have a few booked. Is a few the right word, or should I say, I don't know. We have several booked. A few to several. I think if you called me right now, we're booking maybe March-ish?
mid-February.
February. Okay.
I like to push it.
Yeah, chassis jail. Chassis jail, Dave.
You know 25-3 before 2K.
Could I? Slide into my DMs. If you need a 25-3 before 2K, I'll make it happen.
Is there an expedite fee?
There is. So we're not announcing that yet, but there will be an expedite fee. And it will not slow down any current projects. It is a move to the front of the line, get your stuff worked on immediately, but not impact current customers. Dude, just wait. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. But yes, there will be an expedite fee for both chassis and wiring.
Put me to the front. I got it.
Okay, so. All right, so that's what's going to be here. So yes, it's going to be crazy. Right? I feel overwhelmed. Dave, you?
I'm ready to work.
Ready?
Yeah, ready to work.
All right, so we're all ready to work. We have we got a toolbox.
With no tools.
Well, no tools.
We got shelves, no parts.
Go look.
We got God.
There's parts on the shelves. See,
That's not many parts on it.
you say that I'm not working, but I'm here working all day long. No, there really is parts on the shelf. So, but yes, 25-3 by 2K, holler at me. We'll get it taken care of. We're ready to rock and roll. If you need a custom twin turbo kit on your F-150, slide into my DMs. If you need a custom single turbo kit on a Coyote Fox body, I will put you ahead of Dave. Because Dave doesn't want to go get ice cream. All you gotta do to skip Dave in line is say, hey, Joe, let's go get some ice cream, and I will put you ahead of Dave.
Bullshit.
But it's true.
My car will be here.
Because I asked you 5 minutes ago about getting ice cream, and you said no.
I'm busy.
So, yes, we're ready. We're ready. New welder already on the way. Fab table on the way. What else is on the way, Brady? We've ordered a lot of stuff for the past couple days. Race ramps on the way. We're not messing around.
Well, yeah, for me.
He copied us.
I ordered mine first.
You did order yours first. So.
You got a plasma cutter.
Ooh, I should get one.
I want to cut some shit.
Dude, I want to cut some shit too. No firewalls or stock frame rails, but we'll cut some stuff.
Yeah, do you do titanium firewalls?
Dude, I would love to do a titanium firewall for you.
Put me in.
As long as it's stock location. Who cares, right? Dude, we should do that on the Fox.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm saying. All right, anything else? This is the new shop.
Do you have an email like joe@streetcarjoe.com?
So not only is streetcarjoe.com coming very soon, among other sites. Just wait, there's more. There's more.
Now we're competing.
I have purchased no less than 5 domains in the past couple days. I'm not joking.
That's because you're an idiot.
I'm ready to go. Like, we're not messing around. You knew when the day came, when I moved out of my garage, I was going to get serious.
Stressing me out.
And here I am.
We're booking.
Dave's not ready.
2024. Right?
Dave is not ready.
I'm ready.
No, I'm not. Wait times will not slow down. I will hire more people to keep wait times appropriate. I'm not scared.
You gotta start first. Oh, blow the belt.
We've been working all day. What have you been doing?
No,
I have parts. I have a toolbox. I cleaned the floor. What more do you want from me? All right. Any final comments? We're booking now. Chassis work, turbo work, wiring, and then those Streetcar Joe, hit me up. And then if you need anything else, parts, Dave.
Motor builds.
Motor, Dave.
Transmission.
Transmissions, Dave.
Wheels. Dyno time.
Dyno time, Dave. The fastest stock motor S550, Dave.
I'll tune it.
Let's go.
I got this.
Let's go.
You can tune anything if you have a hub down, right?
Right? Let's tune it.
Really
I'm not scared. Where's the hub dyno going? Right over there. Where the Fox
Next
is?
to my office.
Right now, that is Dave's office. Right now, step into my office. Can we get a couch in the office?
There's one.
There is one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it black, leather?
Marketplace. 300 bucks.
Oh my gosh. So, holler at me. I'm ready to work on your car.
Are you?
We're all ready to work.
We are. Seriously, we are. In due time. Like, I'm booked.
You are not booked. You have no cars in the shop.
Wait till
You have nothing but room.
You're not even gonna walk in here.
Yeah, right.
We're like, well, we should
Well,
have more
I'll be
space.
able to walk in this space. I guarantee you that.
Take yours off. You should get, like,
We need to do
ropes.
the velvet rope. I really think I should keep you and your guys out of there. It's like, I don't want the oil change guys coming into the chassis shop, right? Yeah, I don't want them lube techs dirtying up the chassis shop. Like, we're doing quality, precise fabrication over here. Let these oil change guys do what they do.
Quality oil changes.
All right, we're gonna wrap it up here. Let me try this again. I'm not good at it. Yeah, if you need something, let's go. Let's get it booked. We're ready to go. I mean, in no time at all, the next video, this is all gonna be perfect. Just wait. And the next video is not coming next year. It's coming soon.
When was your last video?
A couple weeks ago. What was my last video?
It's been a while.
Has it?
Yeah. Where's your,
But see, we've been busy. That's why it's been
where's your code orange, just kidding.
waiting on you, as always. New car reveal coming in the next video. We'll see y'all in the next one.